So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey girl, my name is Lucy. I always say to stay subscribed. We always have a good time on this channel. Now, as already seen by the title, today's video is going to be about this hair. It's a dedicated hair install. Definitely one that is worth a whole video because guys, can you see this color? Can you see the hair? No. Can you see the hair? Actually, can you see the color on me? I'm so excited because I haven't done colored wigs or colored hair in like years. I feel like the last time I had a colored wig on or a colored hair on probably maybe 2015, which is basically what, 7 years ago. Oh my god, and that's why I'm so excited about this install. I look beautiful, don't I? Anyway, let me stop talking too much. So this video is actually sponsored by Mscoco Hair, and they sent me this lovely unit that I'm going to be installing for you guys today. I'm going to get into the details, specs and everything, what came in the box, all the links, everything, description box, you guys know where to find it. Also, let me know what you think about the look in the comment section below. I was about to say description box. If you'd like to see how I installed the hair, how the hair originally came and all that good stuff, keep on watching. So this is how the box came. Bright red. Inside is a pink little bag that the wig and other items came in. I think this is a bonnet, which is really nice because I actually do need a new one. And then it comes with a comb, some really wild lashes, an edge brush. I need a new one, so I'm going to use this right now. Headband and then some hair clips. This is the beautiful, gorgeous wig that we're going to be working with today. And honestly, I'm actually excited about this install because it is my first time doing colored hair in a long time. So this is their Bodywave 24 inches burgundy hair, and yeah, I have it in 13x4 lace, which is quite nice for a 13x4. It didn't come pre-bleached or pre-plucked. I had to bleach the knots and pluck it the way you see it right now. I didn't want to do too much plucking to the hair because it's colored hair. I just didn't want to manipulate the lace too much. This is a transparent lace, I believe, so let's just go ahead and work with this wig because girl, I am excited. Like, I'm pretty curious to see how I'm going to look, how the end result would be, so let's just get into it. I'm not going to be talking through the install because you guys, I want to focus and do my best with this hair, so let's go.
You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. The things you're saying, it blows my mind. The way you're thinking, it's hard to keep up. You got that beauty and all the brain, yeah, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, no. I don't need your hang-arounds, so I just want your...
I'm in love. Oh my god, I am ready to be outside. Okay, I'm ready to be on the street because girl, this color is so pretty on me. Like, what the hell? This is so pretty. Girl, this is amazing. I love the hair. It's so soft. I actually held on to the curls really well, although I wanted like some loose curls. I didn't want something like too much. I just wanted minimal as possible for the curls. So this is how it's looking. Let me just bring the other one to the front so you guys can see. But yeah, this is how it's looking. This is the hair. Absolutely, I'm in love with everything. The lace, oh my god, the look. I am ready. I am so ready. Okay, anyway, I'm going to leave everything in the description box below. The link, coupon code if I have one, everything is going to be in the description box below. If you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me. Always in the link, always in the description and also on the screen. You guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one.